Hey guys, Sak here from SAKITECH, and in today's video we are going to be talking about the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro and the Samsung Galaxy Book Pro 360. Samsung just announced these two laptops. And in this video I want to give you guys a quick perspective on these laptops by talking about their features and a few differences. So first, let's look at the Galaxy Book Pro. Now this one starts at $1,000. There's a 13.3-inch model and also a 15.6-inch model if you want a larger display. Now the display on the Galaxy Book Pro is an AMOLED display, full high definition, that is 1080p. It is a non-touch screen display. So by not having a touch screen, this is just a regular clamshell laptop. Now you have the option to buy this in an i5 or an i7 processor by Intel, and these are going to be the 11th generation Intel processors. Now i5 will get you 8 gigabytes of RAM, but if you jump to i7, you are getting 16 gigabytes of RAM, and the storage you can get from 256 gigabytes all the way to 512 gigabytes. Now this here is the Samsung Galaxy Pro 360. It is a slightly more advanced laptop. It does double up as a tablet thanks to its 360 folding design, and this one actually starts a little bit higher at $1,200. You can also get this in 13.3 inches and 15.6 inches. The good part with this one is, first and foremost, the screen is better. Instead of AMOLED, this is going to be Super AMOLED, and also it is going to be touch screen. And when you buy this, you are getting an S Pen in the box that you can use to draw on the actual tablet. So that makes this laptop, the Pro 360, already better than the Pro with a slightly higher price tag. Now you are getting i5 or i7 11th generation Intel processor. Is going to be up to you, and you can go up to 1 terabytes of storage. And both of these laptops are going to have a fingerprint sensor built into the power key. Both of these laptops are going to have Dolby Atmos speakers tuned by AKG. So that is the same thing you actually get on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 models, and perhaps even slightly better because we have a slightly larger chassis and more room to cram in some extra technology. Now, one of the biggest things about both of these laptops is that they are rated to have 20 hours of battery life after a single charge, which is insane. So the Book Pro has 21 hours rating, and the Book Pro 360 has 20 hours rating. Both of them equally insane. But the Book Pro is 1 hour extra. Now both laptops also offer a headphone jack, a Thunderbolt jack, a USB Type-C jack, and a micro SD slot. So overall, I think these products are pretty impressive. They don't seem to be overpriced. The prices are in line with the rest of what the industry offers. They're thin, they're pretty, and certainly a product to consider, especially if you have other Samsung products like phones on their tablets, because these laptops are designed to be part of an ecosystem. So these Samsung laptops will be talking to Samsung tablets and Samsung phones pretty easily as far as information sharing is concerned, as far as continuity is concerned. So that's it for this video. I just want to give you guys a quick perspective of these two laptops, what the actual differences are. Just remember, the Galaxy Book Pro 360 is touchscreen and also has S Pen compatibility, and of course it has that design where it doubles up as a tablet. Beyond that, they're the same thing. Everybody has different needs, so that's why you have these choices. If you do have any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below and let me know. For now, guys, have a fantastic day, alright?